My car is an Xfinity i35. I decided to make a video for those who have the same vehicle. This is my vehicle. This is how I've been picking up the water. Let me open up the other door so I can continue. Okay, I'm at the other side. And my question is, as you can see, I have a plastic. When it rains, you can see that the water is in here. Now, I don't have a phone holder, so I'm gonna pinch it like that, and this is how I do it. When it's raining, to collect the water that's in my vehicle. That way, it prevents of getting wet inside my vehicle. Now, what I need help with, give me a second, let me put this back. Okay, what I need help with, let me make sure this is totally empty. Yes, it is. Is where do I unclog the water that goes from the on top to the bottom of my car. That's where I'm trying to get to. So if there's anyone with a good heart that can let me know, because at least when it rains, I got a dry vehicle underneath. So I invented this bag in order for the water to fall inside the bag and not outside of the bag. So if anyone out there that has an Xfinity i35 can tell me how can I fix this problem, would be wonderful. May the Lord bless you and have a great day.